Hiring new employees can be a cumbersome process, unless of course you have the right tools to do it. Hi, this is Sarah from UserGuiding, and today we're looking into some of the best HR software you can use to increase efficiency, improve employee performance, and enhance employee experience. So let's get to it. First, let's tackle the question of what HR management system means. An HR management system or HR information system or simply human resources system is the type of software that organizations use to go through daily HR tasks and reach HR goals. So basically, it is your go-to HR software. There are, of course, many different types of HR software. For example, applicant tracking systems can be used to track new applicants and do different tasks such as look into and store applicant data, check job postings, and match proper positions with applicants. Performance management HR software can be used to, as the name suggests, track the performance of any employee, put on different goals and track them and improve every employee's basic skill sets and more. The third type is onboarding HR systems, and these software basically are used to educate and train employees to use different software that the organization uses, or the main software, the product of a given organization. And there might be many different features to these software like training tracking, e-signatures, etc. The fourth type of HR software is HRIS, or Human Resources Information System, which can be a standalone software for HR teams. These software are basically used to track applicants, keep information on employees, manage payrolls and benefits, and a lot more features such as these. And the fifth type is employee engagement, which is the type of tool that is used to get feedback from employees and check their goals in the long term and the short term. Basically, it is the type of tool you use to stay in touch with your employees. That's what an HR software is, and those were the types of HR software. But what makes it so that we need HR software? It's simple, really. There are actually many reasons, but basically we just want to keep employee data somewhere. We want to make sure that we stay compliant with federal regulations. We want to make sure that our analytics is accurate and basically better than with any other tool. We also want to make sure that we get constant and proper feedback from our employees, and HR software actually do help with these. Before we get to the HR software we're going to talk about today, let's delve a little deeper into the core features of a go-to HR software. And while we're at it, let's just keep in mind that there is no one-size-fits-all type of HR software. Every organization needs a specific type of HR software. Most of the time, some use 2, 3 more, some use one that deals with one task and handle the other tasks by themselves, but it just doesn't mean that any tool is going to solve it for you. You're kind of gonna have to figure it out yourself. So one of the most common core features of any HR software is definitely payroll and benefits administration or management. What it basically means is that you keep track of your employees' payrolls and benefits through your HR software. And if you're actually already using a different software to track these, you might want to go for an HR software that integrates well with the system you're using. Another core feature that many HR software have is definitely automation, and it might sound like it's nothing, but it is actually a crucial element in your software, because little things like taxes or time off tracking can just slip and you wouldn't even notice, but thanks to some great HR software, you can easily automate and track these. One thing you want to make sure you check before opting for a software is the size of your company, which might affect the software that you're going for, because a company with 2,000 employees and a company with 15 is definitely not going to need the exact same HR software, even if it's a perfect one. So you make sure that you choose your software accordingly. One other thing you want to make sure you check before buying a software is definitely mobile access. Because remote working is probably not going to be going down anytime in this decade, you sure do want to check mobile access opportunities for your administrative side and for your employees to make sure that everything runs smoothly with your HR software. And the last thing you want to make sure your HR software has is definitely self-service, because your team, probably your administrative team, is going to be handling a lot with the tool you're going to choose. So the last thing you want to do is make them constantly call support or hop in and out of video calls. And now let us talk about the top 11 HR software you should be adopting today. At number 1, we have Monday.com, which is a software that's been praised by many HR managers up until now. It has all the core functionalities of a HR solution, so it's one of the top in the game. Monday.com's core features are just the ones that any HR tool needs. It has employee onboarding, it has payroll and benefits management, it has time off management, it has visualization options, many different elements and features that you can think of, and its Captura reviews show it to be at 4.6, so you know what you're going for. Second on our list is Freshteam by Freshworks. They're a renowned company. And it is a tool that really makes sure it's up to 2022 standards with its all-in-one kind of design that features many different abilities, from onboarding, employee tracking, employee engagement, and many other capabilities. Freshteam's core features include applicant tracking, onboarding and offboarding, employee data system, and a mobile app. And right now its Captura score is around 4.3, so you know Freshteam is a good one. At number 3, we have Retable, which is actually a data management system, but thanks to its HR-specific templates, you can use different types of spreadsheets and templates to actually track what has been going on with your HR workloads and workflows. And basically, it is a great tool to increase employee performance. Among the core features of Retable are lots of management, from recruiting cycle management to task and project management, in-app messages, user authorization, and role management. There are lots and lots and lots of features in Retable, and their Captura score is around 4.5 right now, so go check it out. Next on our list is Quickbooks Time, which is a HR solution specifically for time tracking for employees, but it also comes with different capabilities like payroll management and other HR capabilities. So basically, it helps users, your employees, check in by themselves using the self-service portal, but it can also do a lot more, and its Captura score right now is 4.7, rated by many. It's a great one, go check it out. At number 5, we have ADP Workforce Now, which is a tool you can use to work with payrolls, benefits, time management, talent management, workflow management, analytics, benchmarking, compliance, everything. You can also use it to integrate with different HR software via APIs or ADP Marketplace. Some of the other features you can use with ADP Workforce Now are self-service portal, onboarding, applicant tracking, 360 feedback, many different tools, and its capture score right now is 4.4 rated by thousands. Go give it a shot. Up next on the list is Gusto, which is a HR software specifically designed for smaller businesses. If you're a small business, this might be the one for you. Some of the main features of Gusto are compensation management, time of management, benefits management, employee onboarding, self-serve portal, but it does not have, because it's a small business, recruitment management or 360 feedback. But what it has is a 4.7 review rating on Captura. Number 7, we have Paycor, which is a all-in-one HR software. But let's be honest, it specifically focuses more on payrolls. It also has some different features like talent management, employee experience, and benefits administration. But overall, it is a really great software, and its Captura rating is around 4.4. And number 8, we have Bamboo HR, which is a popular HR software that is especially great for small and medium-sized businesses. Among its most prominent features are new recruit onboarding and offboarding, its hiring app, employee well-being assessment, many other features, to be honest. But the most important thing is that it brings the users the convenience of being able to use a app that is specifically designed for HR so that they work more seamlessly and smoothly. And its Captura score right now is around 4.6, so it is also worth a shot. Number 9, we have Namely, which is a great HR platform to give your users the opportunity to self-serve themselves, your users being your employees. It is all the basic HR software features like employee onboarding, employee experience, talent management, time management, etc. What makes it special is its self-service portal. Namely is what it is thanks to this opportunity it gives employees to self-serve themselves and engage with your business. Some of Namely's main features are task lists, time tracking, performance tracking, self-serve portals, and its Captura score right now is around 4.2. It is worth checking out. Number 10, we have Workday, a popular HR software that is used by Adobe, Salesforce, and Target. It is actually a pretty unique software due to the fact that it brings together 3 things: planning, finance, and HR. Some of Workday's important features are enterprise planning, payroll management, talent management, workforce management, in-depth analytics, in-depth reports, different types of plannings for different types of businesses. Basically, it is a unique solution, and its Captura score is around 4.4 right now. Go give it a try. And the last software on our list is UserGuiding. Now, before you go saying UserGuiding is not an HR software, it cannot perform all the things that an HR software can do, let me just say, one of the most important things an HR software can do for you is onboard your employees, and UserGuiding is the dedicated tool for that. It can perform with interactive guides, product tours, walkthroughs, tooltips, hotspots, user checklists. You can create your own NPS surveys, in-app messages. You can put a resource center inside your app. You can do all that and make sure that your employees are productive, that they are getting used to the company culture, that they are learning how to use digital tools and digital processes. So basically, user guiding is a tool you need for all that, and its capture score right now is 4.7. Go check it out and thank me later. And those were all the HR software that we think you should be using in 2022. If you think we've missed one or two, you can put it in the comments. We're gonna talk about it. We'll maybe even put it in another video. So this was Sarah from User Guiding. Thanks for watching and see you next time.